Hello my family, guys, watch this video carefully. Very beautiful hairstyle. See the cutting and the finish. See, we have already parted the center out. This is the cutting. Then we start by braiding it up lines, adding your gel to start. This hair is being made with your natural hair. Watch the curve. See the line is going. It's a cornrows hairstyle. Very beautiful, guys. Just watch and see. Add your gel. You start your plating. Very simple and beautiful. See the way it's going. Remember, while cutting this hairstyle, this ending will be small so that you can get everything up. So cut your hair. Patiently watch this video to the end and see it. Guys, watch this style. Try to be creative while plaiting your hair. Watch the crossing of this. If you still finding crossing difficult in this video, see it. You divide it. Just watch, see how to cut this pattern perfectly. Guys, watch it. Then you start your braid. See how it's going, my family. You have to cross it. From here, start to braid your hair like this. Thank you. You cross it. Watch as you see this going. So crossing of hairstyle is not just a magic. You have to practice it every time, because I believe that practice makes perfect. See it. You braid one down, and you braid another one down, and you're braiding the third one down before you join it together with one line. Just see. Very simple and easy. This hairstyle is being made with natural hair without not adding any extension. For those of you that doesn't like extension, you need this video. Please family, see how it's going. Very beautiful. Simple and beautiful. See the finishing, guys. So use your needle with your wool to tack all the hair together so that the hair will come out so beautiful. See how it's going. Tack it step by step. Why using this your wool is the perfect one, because the way is black is easy. Nobody will even find out that you tack it. You now start folding this hair each side. Yeah, so that the mouth will be neat, the finishing will be so beautiful. Fold it each side very well. So my family, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me, share this video, share it, see how it's going. Then when you are done, just watch patiently. Thank you so much for those of you that be sharing my video, commenting. I appreciate you guys, are amazing. Thank you. You guys are great. So see the finishing, you tack it inside. You will not let that wool to show. Guys, see the ending part of it, so beautiful. Please drop your comment and share this video for me. Share. See you guys in my next video. I appreciate everyone. Thank you.